How to create an organizational chart in MS Word. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open Microsoft Word. If you want to arrange this list in an organizational chart, simply go to Insert, go to SmartArt and simply go to Hierarchy. Choose a chart which you like and then click on OK. Then after you will see that the organization chart has been included in your doc file. Now to include the text, simply use the text pane at the left hand side. Write your text. And now to manage the branches, if you want to include a branch in the main branch, simply click on Enter. And as you can see, a box has been added beside it. To add a branch, you can simply click Tab and erase it if you like. So you can simply add text using Enter and Tab key from your keyboard. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.